I'd say at least 3,000 tons.
3,000 tons of salt and anti-skid fill the Ross Township Salt Dome, a mixture officials here say will be essential when the snowstorm hits.
Snow doesn't melt with the salt under 19 degrees very well without sunlight and traffic. So the anti-skid will be mixed in with the salt to better help with the traffic.
Assistant Director of Public Works in Ross, Ken Liebeck, tells me their trucks will be filled and 27 crews at work beginning when the snow starts to fall. He says 24 will hit the road plowing and salting, while 3 crews rest in a rotation.
This is a different level storm. This is called, a more emergency storm. So the township has a whole different level of procedures.
In Cranberry Township, Butler County, Director of Public Works Kelly Maurer tells me with the snow totals predicted, they will handle this storm a bit differently.
Really, this event is going to be a plowing event. So, same amount of salt we would normally use during a 24-hour event. Same, it takes us about 2 hours to do a route in the township. We do have 17 routes.
17 routes for 27 drivers that Maurer says will be put on alert Saturday night. And while both Maurer and Liebeck say as the storm moves closer, plans could change, one thing they both say is essential is that residents help too.
If you have a driveway, please park in your driveway. Do not shovel snow or snow blow into the road. Please put it in the grass on your property. And be considerate of the drivers. They'll be going there for 24 plus hours. So just be kind. They're people too.
And officials say if you can stay off the roads, that helps too. In fact, Public Works Director in Cranberry Township tells me they have already canceled some events scheduled there in the township on Sunday, and many communities will likely follow. So if you do plan to venture out, you should really check first. Covering Allegheny County from Ross Township, Marcy Cipriani, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.
Okay, Marcy, thank you. And remember to stay up to date with weather updates and alerts with that free WTAE app. Our meteorologists constantly analyze the data and update their forecast to time out all the winter weather elements that we're going to face.